Welcome back. I have a short lecture to do today, so let's jump right in. There is no need to fear your body parts as a saint. Rather, giggle about the human body's prior to sainthood weakness. Not in mockery, rather, giggle at your preoccupiedness with your body. It stems from appearances and then it's an internal game, or vice versa. Not certain. The body has pains. Doctors are taught that pain equals detrimental results. However, we don't place pain on a negative frame when it comes down to sex. Pain feels good for many when they have sex. Have What happens if we have a look at the heart of saints? Fear of pain is the cause of being scared to take action in life for humans and even some newcomer saints. Fear impacts a holy heart. A heart is pure love, so why hurt your heart through fear of pain? Our cells are sensitive. Be careful with fear, hate, jealousy, anger. They produce a different chemistry in our body. For example, hate causes pain in the hater's body, and jealousy causes poverty spiritually, anger causes high blood pressure. All valid examples. And it is said to leak powerful energies when we are always sex focused. So that's it. I had fun with you, so I'm gonna film my next video. Bye bye.